Clear to te lalpai swam mingin chibai ule tunkar chunga North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin thar clear ni longai thang u July ni somni pali atanga ni somni pasari chungkhan General Headquarters Office Malpui Salem Veng Aizola Kohhran sum audit ani General Headquarters Account Shang Baka General Administration via Department le Committee Peng Shang te sum audit ani a auditor se hi Reverend Silaram Wana Reverend Biak Sang Zwala le Reverend Silarin Tuanga le Reverend Joseph L Thauthang te anni July ni somni pakhat Inrini Khan General Missions Department chuan Aizo Khopui chunga district le Bial Missions try to the Pauline seminar abot sai Missions rawngbawlna ti chakna tura seminar bot sai hian North Mizoram District Missions Director Aizol East District Missions Director te baka Aizol Khopui chunga Bial so matangin Bial Missions Director te ankal khoma thupui paruk zir hovin soiho na hun an hmangbok resource person te le an subject te Reverend Lalmal Somasailo Khovel Huap UPC rawngbawldan Chanchin Reverend Arlerin Sanga North East India Missions Department din chhuadan Reverend Zongming Thanzama District le General Missions Department in Leichin Reverend Arlal Hoya North East India Kalphung Reverend VL Tuanga Sinate Bufai Cham Kalphung Evangelist PC Rokima Financial July ni som parukatanga ni som ni chungkhan Kohhran Enkol Pathian Thuzirna Calvary Bible College Shillong chuan Spiritual Emphasis Week and hmang Spiritual Emphasis Week ka hian thupuyatan Ambassador for Christ Korinthon ni bunga changsom ni ti hmangin speaker Pastor Samson Tour Missionary at Large Southeast Nagaland District Androya nitin jingdar kwale achanvea tanin sermon in khom ne chinani a praise and worship service a chunjomin chonhulama thupui thanbing hmangin paper presentation le discussion program manchin anibok resource person le anthupuite Pastor BD Kawarsan Ambassador for Christ in Revival Pastor L.S. Lalshwaisanga Ambassador for Christ in Evangelism Pastor Simal Somzela Ambassador for Christ in Holiness Bible Study Pastor C. Mangthangbunga July ni somni pakhat Inrini Khan General Missions Department in Guwahati Aram Pani Naturatan square feet sangli zathum somni azau cheng noi somli pasari in alei tharle ramchunga hian building thatak omsa ani a July ni somni pakhat Inrini chomada kwak Khan General Missions Director Ruma Ramneitu Upa Arlal Ngilne te Nupale General Shrai Tuten Alaina Sumle documents te anin hlalfela General Missions Director Reverend Arlal Hoya chuan Ramleina lekhapoi mo te hi lodungin General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo chuan pathian hena tongtaina in ahlan ngal ani hehuna hian General Missions OB Pathum te baka General Shrai tu Pathum te antel ani Dimapur Mission Field July ni somni pani pathian ni khan lakhon hanse khwa karbi anglonga seminar bot sai ani resource person tele an subject te Pastor TC Lal Fakmoya Financial Evanlal Khagliana Church Administration Pastor Alexander Amos Hanse Leadership Seminar hi field LED Shrai tu tele chumuke Dima section LED Shrai tu ten an chimbok General Shrai tu program ngai thak chunjamila General Missions Director Reverend Lal Hoya chuan July ni somni pakwa pathian ni hian zemabok Kohhran rawngbawlna aneyang July ni sompariat ni laini atanga ni somni zirtop ni chungkhan North Mizoram District Kum chanve board nei ani Kumchanve District Board hi North Mizoram District Headquarters biak in tui khwatlanga nein board meeting hi Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent in Akai Shwaya North East India UPC General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo chuan atelpui District Board a hian ro somthum pakwa nein apoi mo zwaltar langila Chaltlang bial to Pastor Reverend Silal biak zwala chu November ni somni pani sangni sompariata apensiona achwadona wangin District Superintendent nilai Reverend Laltuanga chuan kum sangni sompakwa March thlatheng lo enkol se Pastor Quarters Saktharnana District in Chengnoi sompanga sanction thin baka Quarters chung cheibolna atan cheng noi khatsinga chin pek theina dan siam chu pass ani Noth Mizoram District Kum chunga pastor quarters le bek in mun nei lo te tan mun leina tur le bongkon conference center sakna tura malakna atan bank loan lak ni se Noth Mizoram District in bongkon venga conference building sakna tura ram alo lei to chu district building committee kuta da in atul anga malo la turin ti ani District Office man tur power backup generator emo solar leijung changai to ani in solar emo generator emo leini se Northeast India UPC ten hun engi muchen na changa kumtin August chunga rawngbawlna konga rammut program anne chinchu district board member te po rammut ni se Pentecostal Man Fellowship PMF chu kumsang ni sompriya district conference in dilna din phalna alo pastole hemi chungchanga bozuingai te district board kuta adangin PMF kai shwaina dan rom manna lo siam turin Reverend Sila Manpuyele Pastor Sila Tlanki mate anruat District Conference sang ni sompriya rorelin Kohhran thil tia banner siam reng rongbing ne siam ni ro set ti alo pasto District Board chuan ngai to in pastoral rot ke mafanai le Reverend Sila Thantluang ate chu banner rong lo thlang turin arwat Mission veng hwam chung model venga Kohhran ram biak in mun tur leini se ti chu rem ti tlan ani biak in mun ram label le ram nei lo te tan ram le sakhe tiang hem past ani loipu venga Selesi biak in mun ram label Phaizau biak in mun Bethel biak in mun hlui shal le athar le Sumsui biak in mun Lungver biak in mun label Zol nuam borai bialti chu zol nuam bialti a thak ni se zol nuam borai bialti chin chu zol nuam bialti a zale lam to tur ani Pentecostal Gateway Higher Secondary School le high school teacher te pay chu managing board in an real to pay structure to approve during district board at Theluni in district board to approve bok ani Pentecostal Gateway Higher Secondary principal term and condition tungtang hetiang handrail ani principal term matan chuan kumkhat niza thum somruk panga mo za thum somruk paruk ani ang kumni danzela rat tharchin tur ani principal hi district board thuron la in managing board in arwat chinang principal lak tur chu kumsom thum panga aya no panglo kumsom ruk aya upalo ani tur ani he dan rel thar hi nikhat April sangni sompakwa atanga tan ani ang kumin sangni sompriya chunghem financial campaign nei thati ani a district right to ten rom man lo siam se ti ani district Kohhran puin mission department a support na chengnoi nga ani chu ennon thati ani a apun na tur chu kumsang ni sompakwa kumthar budget a ngai to ani se ti ani pastor te Myanmar rama tur nei ve ni se ti chu pas ni in hemi pol hian anloman August sangni sompriya lo atangin thlatin kachin ni se ti pas ani North Mizoram District Administration Noya Kohhran Sumpui Baka Department le Committee Peng Shang half year audit chu July ni somthum to thotan ni hian North Mizoram District Committee Ruma antanang sum audit na hi Reverend Sila Ramwana si Pir Bial to Pastor Evangelist F lal ngai o machal tlang le tol upa Sila nun moi headquarters ten an thokang tlang nom Bial Rahman anga Bial chunga tol chung Kohhran changa account training board sai ani account training a hian tlang nom Kohhran Evangelist JH Malsomdong lianan zirtina apea mel thum lim en le nodlung lenga te Reverend Kedar Sailova tol upa jesi ro thangpuile unau palal mon omaten zirtina an pethung July ni somni pakwa pathian ni hian sai khamakon samtlang le lungleng wana Bial auditors pani tol upa jesi ro thangpuile unau palal mon omate baka Reverend Kedar Sailovaten an chunjom le don ani July ni somni pani pathianikal tazan khan North Mizoram District Sunday School Secretary Evangelist H Larin he da chuan din thar Bial chon puizau tlanga General Sunday School kumpuan kanfate ichan himang uti thupui mangin campaign ane District Sunday School Secretary hian July ni somni pasari zirtop jana tanga atuk July ni somni pariat inri ni jan thlangin district headquarters Kohhran no pangpawlin camping ane puibok don ani Evangelist H Larin he hian July ni somni pakwa pathian hi jing hian hun tharbial lungver Kohhran rawngbawlna nein zana rangwamwala rawngbawlna ane puibokang July ni somparuk thotan zana tanga ni somni pani pathian ni jan thleng oa Maubok Bial Maubok Kohhran Revival Crusade bot sai ani he crusade a hian Evangelist Mizoram Thara District Revival Speaker chuman ni in hun tiam chunga tharau bo rock tu na sataka wangin July ni somni pali thole jan thleng hun po sai ani crusade nei chung hian choi moina voi ni omin upazau pare ti chung le una pa biakim mate chungin pathian choi moina hi an neya crusade nei chung hian mi panni in chuangai damna baptisma an changbok kumtina anti chin angin chimtuipui district chuan an district chunga august la hian ram mutla an hmangdon tirkau upa tol upa le rongbol tu ten phak tok thawin ramut rongbol da an nei dona district headquarters local news ya ha chuan ramut thla bo zuina le ramlak be pui thlak nan dam dep chu huna missionary an royang he rongbol na hi december sangni sompria thleng nei turin an rohman ani July ni somni panga atanga ni somni priya chunghian chimtuipui district council veng local sia ha biala pathian ne na lom thu soi choi moina bot sai ani don helom thu soi choi moina program a hian district evangelist en thang nu na chu speaker a roin July ni somni priya in rini khan choi moina roi an kil ho ani chimtuipui district mission department te malak na kal zela tunlai hian sia ha bia chunga ramthim bom wa puimek ani Chimtuipui district headquarters local le se hatla local te chuan August hachung zong hian ramthim bom hi biak in kota an thutpui thung don ani local mission board try tu te chuan herong bol na hi an thok don ani karkalta July ni somni pani pathian ni le tun pathian ni inkar hian chimtuipui district a member thar somni puruk kaushana senglu anni Chewra local south lungpher biala member thar chung ko pathum member som pani ni in upa tlangchungan kaushana asengluta July ni somni panga ni laijan khan member pariat senglut le in tun nai ni thum chungin member somni pakhat lai kaushana senglu anni July ni somni pani pathian ni vekhan pangkhwa sangau bel to pastor ke kongkhar moyan chung ko khat member panga kaushana asenglut bok July ni somni pani pathian ni khan balpui NGA reverend thanchunga district superintendent in mi pani iswamingin baptisma achantir ni somni pani thlasari sangni sompriya thian efatha kaushana reverend Aram Chadzolan mi pakhat baptisma achantir Chimtuipui district superintendent reverend thanchunga sailole district LED president unanu tila lian moi te chuan bolpui NGA rongbawlna nein mi pani in swangai damna baptisma anchang July ni somni zirtop ni khan tuipang bial LED te chuan tipa VPSC a da turin thuthleng an hlan bial tu pastor MH Robin Lalthan moile bial LED shwai tu ten thuthleng hi an hlan ani Aizol East District Noya Kaushan Puile Department Shangshang te sumchu July ni somni pali tanga ni somni paruk chung khan district officer audit ani audit hi July ni somni pali thole ni chuma dar soma tang khan tan ani a kumina auditor satan pastor H Laro buya North Van Lai Phai Bial to pastor Bilal Engza Vaser Chief Bial pastor Lal mangai uma party champhai betel biale upa Joseph le shwai tuang abong kon bialte man ni in July ni somni paruk ninga ni khan audit hi anzo ani audit atanga alandanin pathian ram soma pakhata kumsang ni som pasari kumchan ve ain kumsang ni som pariat kumchan ve a chengnoi som thum pariat singsari zali som nga pariat in apunga bufai chama po cheng singthum sangruk zasari som pali in apung bok Department Changshang te po in kumsa ain sumle paya mal somna dongin bial enge mozatin kumsang ni sompriat budget po antlak to ani July ni sompakwa ni ngani khan Aizol East District Thiang Himna Committee Reverend Silal Englia na chairman ke shwain nei ani anro rel langsar zwalte Thiang Himna campaign nei dan tur hetiang hian rohman na siam ani akal tur te po ron ngal ani Rabung biala kal turin upa H Thanlira Zongmun biale Sakordai biala kal turin evangelist Kela Zarliana Ramdun Vengthar North Van Lai Phai biala kal turin evangelist Laramzawa Bethlehem Vengthang Aizo ko puichung tu district Thiang Himna committee ten ma lawla se campaign hi October tharal ma a kalpui ni se Zugle mom thalona tarlan na poster tar tur siam thati ni in try to ten rohman na lo siam se ti ani kumsang ni sompakwa inra tharle tura zugle mom tilo inrat nge ani theinan biale to chungtina mala turangen na siam ni se thati ani bok Aizol East District Conference in Kumin chungin rablak be pui thang ni se ati bo zoina kal zela tun thachunga bial shangshang te malak dan tlang pui July ni somni pangani laizana Chanchin District Headquarters Kohhran Evangelist Arvan Chunga Speaker amangin Revival Crusade Nation ani a ram anna ang chuan pathian ni zan thleng au odon ani Evangelist Arvan Chunga Speaker amang thohian Karma Zakhan Amveng Southback ida Bazar Bial BYD Botsayin Revival Crusade hi nei aloni to ani Bongkon Kohhran apo Evangelist H Lallimbuya District Revival Speaker le atim te chuan rawngbawlna nei chunjom zelin July ni somni pangani lai zana tanga pathian ni zan thleng hian crusade an nei le mek ani Nalan Bial Darnam Kohhran apo Evangelist Ming Chungnung le atim te mangin Revival Crusade July ni sari atanga ni somni pathum chungkhan hlotling taka nei ani a July ni somni pathum thorchan zan khan mi panhi te chuan swangai damdam baptisma Bial to Pastor Arlal Famki Makuta changin anjinga pakhathi mithar ani Crusade nei chung hian mi somin swangai damna baptisma anchanga tharau baptisma mi panga in changin siam tharle na changmi engemozat anombok ani Revival Crusade nei chung hian July ni som paruk tho tan ni khan senior upa kolya na ti chung chuan pathian choi moina tharau tui khwa nein July ni som ni pakhat inrin ni khan unau pa zo herlia na ti chung ko kal tlangin pathian choi moina nei le ani a July ni som ni pathum tho tan ni khan unau pa chin dei thanga ti chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina an nei le ani July ni som ni pakhat inrin ni khan champhai Bethel Bel to Pastor lan mangai oma parte te chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina nein Kohhran hoten hlim takin hunan manga speaker Reverend VL Nemtwanga an manga pathian ni zan khan district LED ten home missionary ta atana anroi mek unau nulal thanpari rawngbawlna shrai ko na changa Kohhran dang chimtu mi pathum te chuan speaker Reverend VL Nemtwanga kuta swangai damdam baptisma an changbok ani Zemabok Bial Mission Department ten Bial Chunga Rongbol Tura Anroi Mek Evangelist Hangnei Sang Rongbolna Zemabok Bethel Kohhran July ni somni panhi pathian ni khan chungko panhi member pangati chu Kohhran senglu anni bok July ni somni pathum thorchan zan khan Upper Republic BYD te chuan Sunday School a half year meet come project 70 mangin district BYD OB te hna choi moina an hlan bok Hehun hi unau pa zawrema pachaw chuan ka shroin Hunser unau nu ram chuanin amanga unau pa F Ramping Moya Upper Republic BYD President chuan fuina thu soin Secretary unau pa MS Zongliana Parte report ape report atanga alandanin Upper Republic local hian BYD member za chuang an meka mathai le marka group a intenin subcommittee pathum an nei mek bok Unau pa CS Laro Trauma Kumpuan Chairman Chuan Kumpuan Committee in Ma Alak Megnale Machop Shang report apea Unau pa Riu Ben Lalmal Soma Unau pa Kela Lung Nemale Unau pa CS Laro Trauma Ten Zai Rongbol na nein Unau pa Lalmal Soma Fan Ayin Special Item Munom Tak Ayan Tirbok Upper Republic BYD ten half year meet come project 70 and Manahian District BYD te chuan som an ni agin an telpuya district BYD OB te hi mizo thuama in cheitirin thang chwa diar kim an kim tira choi moina bel to Pastor Reverend Silal Engle na chuan a hlan bok he huna hian an project roman ang ngein member som sari chuang an kal khom the ani July ni somni pathum thorchan zan khan Aizol East District BYD Education Subcommittee te chuan kumina a thokhan na atan mol puibiala education campaign an nei Hehuni mol puibiak ina man ni in unau nu KVL Chanchoi Education Committee member chuan channa hun amanga unau pa JH biak diktuanga secretary hne chagin report ngai thang ni in unau pa lerem tuanga member District Education Committee hne chagin thu soi ngai thak ani bok District Education Subcommittee te hian kumin hian Aizol khopui chunga bia shanga education campaign nei durin ro manna an siama August ni som pathum thorchan zan hian bazar bia la hun an mangle don ani Mol puibiala hun an mana hian District Education Committee atang hian member som panga an kal thei ani July ni somni zirtop zan khan Aizol East District BYD Music and Sound Committee Evan C lel chuanga te in Trumpuya nei ani Evangelist F ma som tuanga Vice Chairman chuan kai shwain Pentecostal choir uniform chungchang ngai to ani a aranglama nei tumni se ti ani baka music school honle ngei turati ni in hetiang hian ro manna asiam Classical hun September ni thuma changa October ni somni sangni sompariat jingda rugle achanve atanga dar sarile achanve admission fee cheng somnga monthly fee cheng jani somnga admission form lak chwale thelu namun Evangelist F Lasang le na General Headquarters Office Malpui unau pa kelel bang nunga District Office Ramhun South instructor tam brother Lathan sang call di rat ani try to the program Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary chuan District Headquarters Kohhran Revival Crusade nei meka atel puyang. Reverend Dar Chona Mission Director chuan North Bengal and Sikkim Mission Field noya Tugraja Keshwar Biak in thar honna nei turin July ni somni paruk ninga ni kha North Bengal lam apana July ni somni pakwa pathian ni hiam Biak in honna nein Rahman na ang chuan August ni khata aizol le tura beise ani. Reverend Dar Chona hi District Mission Treasurer Evangelist lal thutlunga chuan atroi om ani. Ole khati zong khatun chumata na North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak ho theite ani e.